Hello everybody. So today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is about regression line. So now I will show you how to answer. So the line should be about y equal to a plus bx. Now we need to find a and b. The formula to find a and b, that should be like this. So we need to find the sum of y. So the sum of y, that's it in here. So I will write about sum. And we put about sum of this one in here. So we need to find the sum of sy. So I will put about sy in here. That means this one multiplied by this one. So the sum of sy, that should be like this. The next one, the sum of s squared, that means we have this number in here to the power of 2. So we put this one go in here and we sum all the number in here. Now we can calculate about a. So based on the formula in here, we have the sum of y, that's it in here, multiplied by the sum of s squared, that's it in here, minus the sum of s. So the sum of s, that should be this one, multiplied by the sum of sy, that's it, this one in here. Then we divide by n. N is about the total of observation. We have 5 observation in here. That's about 5. Multiplied by the sum of s squared. That's it in here. Minus the sum of s to the power of 2. So we have the sum of s. That's it in here. To the power of 2. So after we calculate this one, we will go about 1750. Now we go for b. About b, we have n, that's about the number of observation. So we put about 5. The sum of sy, that's it in here, minus the sum of s. We put in here, multiplied by the sum of y, that's it in here, over n, that's it, the number of observation. We have 5, multiplied by the sum of s squared, that's it in here, minus the sum of s to the power of 2. And we got about 6.5. And now we will have about y equals to 1750 plus 6.5s. And this is about the line we need to find in here. After we find about the line, we can estimate about the average income. That's about y in here. So we put 900 for the s. So we have 1000. So we have 1750 plus 6.5 multiplied by 900. And we got about 7600. This is the end. Thank you for watching.